Ready to ditch the boring blank shirts and learn how to draw killer plaid patterns that'll make your fashion illustrations pop? First, sketch your shirt. A simple outline will do. Think about the folds and wrinkles to give it a natural look. Don't worry about details. We're just establishing the shape. Now, for the grid, lightly draw evenly spaced vertical and horizontal lines across the shirt. This is the foundation of your plaid, so keep it consistent. Imagine weaving threads together. Time to create the pattern. Choose a few sections and thicken some of the lines. Grouping them together, vary the thickness to simulate different thread weights and create visual interest. Add color. Use different colors for each line groups. This can be done digitally or with colored pencils, and make sure to keep the color palette balanced. Use reference images of real plaid for inspiration. Let's add some shading. Use darker tones where the fabric folds or creases, and lighter tones on the raised areas. This gives the plaid a realistic texture and makes it look three-dimensional. Finally, the details. Add small details like button textures, pocket stitching, and subtle variations in line thickness to enhance the realism. And there you have it, a plaid shirt ready to rock any design. Experiment with different colors, line thicknesses, and shading techniques to create a variety of unique plaid patterns. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing tips. Now go forth and plaidify your art.